Hi everyone, today I want to share the April Paper Pumpkin Kit, Sentimental Rose. It is a beautiful kit of cards, 9 in all, and a little box that you can put the cards in and wrap with this really pretty belly band and gift to somebody you care about. It's a beautiful stamp set. It's called a distinctive stamp set, which means that it has an interesting style of stamping where you've got darks and lights based on how the stamp is made with little tiny texture in it. So you've got darks and lights and outlines all in one stamp. We used to have to achieve darks and light tones with a two-step stamp, but this can be done with these distinctive stamps all at once. So you've got this big stamp here, beautiful rose. It's quite large, maybe 1.5 inches. Over 2 inches, really big stamp and a leaf, and lots of great sentiments. Thank you, for you, happy Mother's Day, thinking of you, happy birthday, and congratulations. So the stamp set's going to last you forever. Oh, I forgot best wishes. And this is a little row of dots that's nicely sized. You can actually highlight a word by stamping behind it in a light color. It's really pretty. Or you can use it as an accent as well. So this is a stamp set. It's lovely. And the stamp spot this time is called Gray Granite. Okay, and the cards, very pretty here. And let me show you some of the elements. You get 9 envelopes, and they're printed on the inside, plain white on the outside. Really fun. So there's 3 of each, and then 3 of each card base. And then we've got some fun corrugated accents here for some texture, and that's really nice. Some of the cards use those. Some of the cards use this bigger one. These are like banner die cuts. I don't know if you can see that they cut out. I think you can. And then we've got some die cuts for the fronts of your card. You can see they're used here, here, and here, and they just punch right out. And this one is a little tag that you're going to use on that box. Here's some more backgrounds for your cards. Look at this one, so pretty. And then this is used on that box with the belly band, and that's lovely. And then here we have our adhesives and some enamel dots and baker's twine. And then this is the gift box. You're just going to open, kind of fold it up and decorate it with the belly band, and it is just lovely. And you've got your instructions, all that together in the April kit. Sentimental Rose. Now, if you missed out on this kit and you wish you hadn't, contact me. I always buy extras and I bring them to my card buffet, so I always have some. If you need one, call me or email me and let me know if you would like one. My blog is bestpapercuts.com, and you can email me there or find me on Facebook under Best Paper Cuts as well. And in the kit is a special sneak peek letting you know about the May kit. And look at this box. This is kind of giving you a hint. This one was inspired by Shelley, and she had a hand in picking colors and themes for this card, and we were able to do one of the cards from the kit at a recent Stampin' Up event I attended. So this is one of the cards from the kit. See those beautiful flowers from the box, a bird's nest. It's a very Shelley thing. And then the insides of these cards also have printed envelopes. So this is just one of the 4 styles in the next month, the May kit. So you'd have to subscribe or order a subscription by May 10th in order to get the May kit. And this is the current April kit. Too late to get it by ordering online, but you can contact your demonstrator or me and ask if I have any left over, and I might. So I do get a few, and sometimes they go fast at Card Buffet, but let me know, and maybe I still have one. And that's it. And also I want to let you know that Paper Pumpkin, starting in the new annual catalog, is going up in price. So now is a great time to do a prepaid subscription. You can prepay 3 months, 1 month, 6 months, and 12 months all at one time. The great thing about the 6 and 12 month subscriptions is that you can start earning stamping rewards on a prepaid subscription. So if you order a prepaid subscription this month or next month, you'll get in at the current pricing. It's just going up $2 a month after that, and so you'll be able to save over the course of 6 months or 12 months. You can save quite a bit of money. Thanks so much for watching. Please contact me with any questions you may have.